can't always trust matches. They get wet, they crumble, they deteriorate over time. I always carry this in my first aid and survival pack, not just for survival purposes, but also out here in the Pacific Northwest. The weather changes quick. We always need to start a fire.
Sometimes the difference between survival and death can be the presence of one simple tool. That's why the Titan Survivor Steel Fire Starter is an absolute must-have for any survivalist, prepper, or adventurer. This specifically designed ferrocerium rod starts fires quickly even when wet. The handle of this tool is made of patented woven survivor cord, which contain various life-saving materials including wax jute for fire making, fishing line, and a strand of multi-purpose conductive wire. Simply strike the rod with the back of your knife to generate sparks in excess of 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And this rod just keeps on giving with a guaranteed 12,000 strikes. In addition to that, this tool also includes a high decibel emergency whistle integrated into the handle. Titan Survival is dedicated to giving you all the tools necessary to survive and overcome the elements with their Survivor Steel Ferrocerium Fire Starter.
Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm Angela.
Last time we brought to you the Firefly, a custom fire starter designed to fit into the toothpick slot of your Swiss Army knife. Thanks to the support of our amazing backers and sharing community, Firefly was a huge success.
We've delivered this amazing new product to thousands of happy backers and customers around the world, and we continue to have new and repeat customers every day.
But we've heard feedback from many customers wanting more options.
The most common request was for a fire starting option that allowed users to keep their toothpick. I thought I smelled something.
Squatch, you've got to stop sneaking up on us like that.
As I was saying, we've heard from many customers who use their toothpicks every day. And they want a fire starting method that allows them to keep their toothpick.
Oh, come on, Squatch. The toothpick isn't that gross. Are you done? So we've designed the Fire Ant.
The Fire Ant is a fire starting tool created to fit right into the corkscrew of your Swiss Army knife.
We plan to make the Fire Ant in 3 different bright neon colors. They will also be able to glow in the dark through the whole night, making it super easy to find your fire starter and your knife.
The sparking rod in each Fire Ant will come with a special anti-corrosive coating to make them look great and last well in adverse conditions.
But we haven't created just another sparking tool. The Fire Ant will be a complete fire starting system.
We've also designed a special tinder that integrates with the Fire Ant in the same space. We call it Helix Tinder.
Helix Tinder is a special wax tinder that's easy to light and burns for a long time, making it easy to start a fire in any weather condition, rain, snow, or shine.
And one Helix tinder can be separated and used multiple times.
The sparking steel on the Fire Ant will be made from the same high-quality, easy-to-spark formula we developed for the Firefly.
So it's easy to get lots of big hot sparks, which are great for lighting all kinds of tinder.
With your help, we can't wait to turn this idea into something everyone can have.
So we want to thank you so much
for supporting this project. Where's my knife? Squatch!
Hey, put some fire in your sack.